Here we go spinning again.
So this is the parking lot where you park.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
We're here in Tennessee near Nashville, and they have a really cool river called the Harpeth?
Narrows of Harpeth.
Narrows of what?
Harpeth.
Oh. Well, what he said, and it's like a horseshoe shape. So you can put in on one side, and then the drive between the two is like 2 minutes, and then you can get out on the other side. Wait, hold on, she's gotta get by, honey. I know, lots of wind. Again, I've done a couple donuts already. I have no idea what I'm doing in the back.
All right. Show me how to paddle that canoe.
That's not even paddling, I'm paddling it all by myself.
Oops, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, no. No, I'm spinning again.
Just hear that silence, it's just so pretty here. Look right there, it just is so pretty.
That's why there's times where you can and can't go, because this floods up to that, and it gets really dangerous, they said.
I like going
Life
with
is
you.
a winding road.
I like going with you.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hey, sweetie.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And
It's like when the wind's passing here,
really
it's not.
wanna know
Oh, it's like a
if
little...
I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
It's easy here. Come on, it's
Say I
easy.
lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high,
I'm actually gonna
trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Here we
I will
go.
keep on holding my head high.
Here we're going.
Even if the sky is
Spinning around in
falling
circles again.
down.
That's right.
Even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Hold on, Elizabeth. Here we go spinning again. So I just went through a windy spot and I actually was able to go through it without it spinning me around. There are so many spiders. Okay, it's back in the water. I've hit a couple trees. We keep getting little friends. What, another spider?
Yeah.
Good job paddling, Elizabeth. Look at you. Good job, girl. Look at us go. There you go. So how did we like this trip?
Good. Good.
How about you? Did you
Oh, this
like
is my new camera, by the way.
attack of the tree, Elizabeth?
Yeah.
No? How about you, Ava? Did you have any exciting moments?
Well, the raps weren't exciting,
Yeah,
really.
they were pretty exciting. They gave you the bumpity-bumps, right? All right. We're going to be heading out.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.